1982 ജൂൺ മാസം റവന്യൂ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിൽ സർവറായി ജോലിയിൽ കയറി. അതിനുശേഷം റവന്യൂ ഇൻസ്പെക്ടർ, അസിസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് സെറ്റിൽമെൻറ്റ് ഓഫീസർ, ഡയറക്ടർ റൂറൽ ഡെവലപ്മെൻറ്റ്, ഡെപ്യൂട്ടി കളക്ടർ കവരത്തി, ബ്ലോക്ക് ഡെവലപ്മെൻറ്റ് ഓഫീസർ എന്നീ തസ്തികകളിൽ ഞാൻ ഇപ്പോൾ ജോലി ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞു. നീണ്ട 39 വർഷത്തെ സേവനത്തിന് ശേഷം ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ ബ്ലോക്ക് ഡെവലപ്മെൻറ്റ് ഓഫീസർ പോസ്റ്റിൽ നിന്ന് വിരമിക്കുകയാണ്. ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ 2018 ഫെബ്രുവരി മാസമാണ് വീഡിയോ ആയിട്ട് ഇവിടെ ജോലിയിൽ പ്രവേശിച്ചത്, നമ്മളെ അന്തർദ്വീപിൽ. ഈ 3 വർഷത്തിനിടയിൽ ഈ നാട്ടിലെ എല്ലാ നാട്ടുകാരുടെയും വിശിഷ്യ എൻ്റെ സ്റ്റാഫ് അംഗങ്ങളുടെയും പൂർണ്ണ പിന്തുണ എനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിൽ ഞാൻ ഏറെ സന്തോഷവാനാണ്. ഞാൻ എന്നും ഈ ദ്വീപിനോടും എൻ്റെ സ്റ്റാഫിനോടും കടപ്പെട്ടവനായിരിക്കും.
Today is a very special day. Our beloved and most dearest Attagoya sir is retiring after 39 years of dedicated service. And I would like to point out that I am only 30 years of old. So the cumulative years of experience which Attagoya sir has is larger than my whole life. So you can understand this whole service is exactly equal to a lifetime. I have only got a very short amount of time to work with Attagoya sir, that is from 18th of February till today. With regards to work quality, I have seen that he has a very attention to detail, each and every rule in the file work. And also he makes sure that all the rules and regulations are followed with respect to the public, with respect to the file work, with respect to anything. But apart from the work, because everybody will say good things about the work, I want to point out few other things which are except outside this office. Attagoya sir has treated me like his little brother or whatever, say youngest son, because this is my first posting. So he has done a lot of hand holding. So that shows his big heart which he has. Like from the day one when he came for my arrival at Jetty also, I still remember that. Also I would like to point out that Attagoya sir has a very great sense of humor, even in the very tense conditions. And although our languages are different and we still try to communicate, but he always invokes a laugh or two, even in very stressed condition, whether there is a meeting with Panchayat or senior ups, but we have our moments. For me, Attagoya sir will always remain a very special person in my life, because in terms of experience, he is my boss. Although in terms of charge, maybe I am his superior, but his experience, his knowledge about life will always be my boss. And I would wish him to have a great life ahead. Be active, as much active he is. I want him to live at least 110, 105 as per my knowledge. He should be very active. And he's going back to Clinton, so he is very happy to go back to his native island. I wish him all the luck.